high blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar. These are just a few of the chronic diseases that are plaguing Americans today. According to the CDC, 6 in 10 Americans live with at least one chronic disease in their lifetime, and 4 in 10 adults have 2 or more. But why are these numbers so high? Lack of physical exercise and poor eating habits could be to blame for many of these diseases. Experts say that adults should be getting in at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week. This could look something like 30 minutes a day, 5 days per week of exercise. Yet statistics show that only 1 in 3 adults are actually getting the recommended amount of physical activity. So if exercise is so important, why aren't more of us doing it regularly? The reasons and excuses are endless, but the truth is, all of us could do something more to get active in our lives. Taking a 5-minute walk outside the office or using the stairs instead of the elevator can turn your health in the right direction. So what will you do today to get more active? To find out more, visit www.makingexercisehappen.org.